sound of life.
A heart beats hum beneath the rain, a laugh that spirals like a flute, the rustle of a field of grain, the earth exhales, resolute. Footsteps trace the city's song, a kettle's whistle, low and keen, a child's cry brief, then gone. Life's rhythm pulses in between, thunder's drum, a crow's cracked call, a river's sigh on ancient stone, the silent crush of autumn's fall, each note a thread in time's vast loom, but deeper still, where quiet breathes, a mother's lullaby takes flight, the scrape of roots, the growth of seeds, the dark composes stars by night, so lean in close to what's unseen, the world's breath hums in every tone, the sound of life not wrong, but writ, a melody that's